Hey everyone, Jason here. Hopefully you can hear me over the construction that's going on right around the corner, so I apologize for any noise. I just completed a final walkthrough for my clients on this new home. It was just completed, and we're expecting to close early next week. We went to contract on February 6th, so it took roughly 10 months to build this home out. We're at KB's Sage Glen community. It's near Rainbow and Wigwam. It's a gated community. It's close to shopping, dining, entertainment, top-rated golf courses, parks. One of the parks it's close to is Mountains Edge Regional Park that has trails, picnic areas, sports fields, tennis and basketball courts. And it's also near Exploration Peak Park. You should see the views from that peak of that park. Anyway, let's go in and take a look. So this KB home is Plan 550, which is a 1,550 square foot home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. The base price at contract time back in February was $440,000. This also had a $25,000 lot premium. The lot's a little larger than the average lot, so that's the reason for the higher lot premium. They also added a covered patio for $7,200, making the total price about $472,000. Values for similar homes in this area right now are around $490,000 to $500,000. They don't even have the keys yet, and it's possible that they have about $25,000 in equity. Here you can take a look at the standard cabinets. They're 30-inch uppers. There's a stainless steel gas range and a stainless steel dishwasher. My clients ordered the basic ones, but due to supply chain issues, they weren't available, so they upgraded them. The granite countertops is a Group 1 granite with a flat polished edge. That was included in the price. And there are Moen faucets throughout. So I did mention that my clients did everything standard. Other than the covered patio, they did purchase the Whirlpool refrigerator and freezer, and they did put that soft water system in the garage. The upgraded dishwasher and the gas range were upgraded by KB Homes. My clients ordered the standard ones, but they weren't available, again, due to supply chain issues. So KB was gracious enough to upgrade them so they didn't have to wait for the standard ones to come in. The living room, pretty standard living room. They did add a ceiling fan pre-wire for comfort, $95 for a ceiling fan pre-wired, and those are added in the bedrooms as well. Also standard with this home is a Wi-Fi thermostat. So when you're on your way home and you want to crank down that air conditioning, you can do that. So let's take a walk back and we'll check out the laundry area. They did add a Whirlpool washer and dryer. That was a little over $700 for each. By the way, the fridge in the kitchen was $13.95. And here's a look at that $13.95 refrigerator. It is also a Whirlpool. From the kitchen, we'll take a walk to the primary bedroom. And here is the primary bedroom. It's a nice size. It does have 2 closets. One over here, nice little walk-in, and there's also one in the bathroom. This is the primary bathroom. Another nice size walk-in closet. It does have a 42 by 60 inch fiberglass tub shower combo. And all of the bathrooms in this home come complete with quartz. It's a Group 1 with drop-in sinks. Now we'll head out and check the secondary bedrooms in the garage. So going past the laundry room again, this is one of the secondary bedrooms. Pretty typical. This is the secondary bathroom, again with the quartz countertops, tub shower combo. And this is bedroom number 3. This is in the front of the house. Again, pretty standard bedroom. To the garage. Pretty standard garage. It does have a tankless water heater. That comes with the house. And they opted to get a DuPure soft water system, about $1,435. I actually have a DuPure water filtration system under my kitchen sink in my own home. So here is that covered patio. It does come with a couple can lights. These homes are all finished without the backyards being done. That's up to the new homeowner to take care of. So actually, this home, the lot size is actually big enough to put a pool in if somebody wanted to. And just another view of the backyard. And there's that covered patio. $7,200. So hopefully this will give you an idea of what the standards are in these homes. Standards are pretty nice, and you don't have to spend a fortune to do upgrades. Most of the upgrades that come with the home are pretty nice. So hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this new KB home, and if you're interested in any other new construction homes, feel free to reach out. I can answer any questions you may have. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell icon to be notified anytime I upload any other content. And thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.